So Mahaan is in the field of dairy and nutrition, and this present company where we are standing today is set up in 2015, where we have two setups. One is a spray dryer operation and second is a dry mixing operation. The main process in any dairy, since we are mixing powders, and when it comes to the name of powder, Gericke is the obvious choice. So being globally known for powder handling and making all the equipments in-house, so that's the reason we choose Gericke. Besides the equipment, it's also the way Gericke approach any project and they handle the project first time right. So these are the two reasons we choose Gericke. If we talk about mixers, they are one of the best in class available in the industry to give the right homogeneous mixer. And same way the loss in weight feeder, whether we have to use vitamins or minerals or trace elements, so the required accuracy is possible in Gericke equipment. Our raw powder handling system is predominantly Gericke, and we are not facing any concern as far as Gericke installation is concerned. So there is no specific issue where we are facing issues and we need something special support. It's the first time right done by Gericke and things are working well.